Today is Sunday, the Lord's Day. And it's called that because John called it that in Revelation chapter 1, verse 10, the day belonging to the Lord. All over the world, God's people will meet today to worship Him. And we worship Him because He is God and is worthy of being honored for that reason alone. On this day, we will meet to sing songs praising His name and teaching one another. Colossians 3:16 tells us to teach one another in song with thankfulness to God. On this day, we will go before God in prayer. 1 Timothy 2, verses 1 through 8 tell us to pray for all men in every place. On this day, we will take the Lord's Supper in memory of the sacrifice Jesus made for us. 1 Corinthians 11, verses 17 through 34 tell us to observe it correctly with the proper attitude, patiently waiting to eat it together as a group. On this day, we will search our hearts and give of our own possessions into a common treasury for the Lord's work. In 1 Corinthians 16, verses 1 through 4, Paul says on the first day of the week, the Lord's Day that is, they are to lay aside and store into a common treasury, so they won't have to take up a collection when he arrives. And on this day, we will study God's Word to build each other up in the faith. 1 Corinthians 14, verse 26 tells us our worship in the assembly is also intended to build up the church. Again, we do all of this because of who God is and out of an intense desire to honor Him. If our hearts are in the right place, God will be honored and brethren edified. Now, if you're watching this video, it probably means you're giving thought to this being the Lord's Day. I hope you plan on worshiping God by meeting with His people on this day. And I hope you'll join us tomorrow for another Morning Minutes in the Bible. Until then, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.